Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are the first of the month, of course, 1st of August 2026. And what do we do on the first day of the month? We always look at the market share for Windows. Let's see where Windows 11 and Windows 10 are at. So what we see now, and I think this is going to be the normal for the rest of the year, is that Windows 11 has risen to a level that is going to maintain pretty much, as Windows 10 is going to maintain around that number also. So there are little variations. When we look at a variation like this one, for example, 6988 July, 6989, so 6888. This is within probably the margin of error of the stats of this website. So it might look like, oh, well, Windows 11 is now going down, Windows 10 is going up. I don't think so. I think it's just the variations that are month to month with their numbers. But I think we're going to stay at roughly Windows 11 at 70% and Windows 10 at 30%. And that's what's going to be next month. That's what's going to be December. I think we stalled on the Windows 11 increase, and those that are on Windows 10, the hardcore Windows 10 users are sticking with Windows 10, and they're going to continue to stick with Windows 10, of course, with the extra 1 year of support. So this just tells you that those that had to go to Windows 11 for some reason, either a new PC or simply they moved from Windows 10 to Windows 11, I've already done so. And the Windows 10 operating system, the core users are going to stay there, and they're not really going to update to Windows 11 at least until the extended support ends next year. But I think that's we talked about it last month. I was starting to speculate that Windows 10 and Windows 11 have reached their level that they're going to just surf on for a while. And Windows 11 is really stalled. It's at 70%. It's going to stay around 70%. We'll see these variations of going up and down by 1 or 2% every month. But that's where it is. I think Windows 11 has reached its peak at 70% or around 70%. So this is going to be interesting to see, next year. Will Windows 11 start gaining again, because we will get closer to the end of extended support. One thing that is really, really playing against Windows 11 right now is the increase in PC prices that are really staggering. It's just incredible how PC prices have gone up because of the RAM shortage, and of also SSDs are getting up. We learned that NVIDIA is going to hike its graphics adapter prices by as much as 30% because of RAM shortage and of prices and RAM that they put in their graphics GPUs. So I think this is the new normal now. We'll see numbers that are going to be rather stable in the next months, as people on Windows 11 are going to be on Windows 11. People on Windows 10 are just going to stick with Windows 10. And I don't see much variations that's going to happen after that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.